Probably the biggest difficulty was trying to get it here. It was the biggest one, and then trying to build a stand for it that we could actually work all the way around it. So it took us and the welding department, a team that designed the stand specifically just for this airplane. All the repairs we're currently doing to it are right out of the manuals that we have access to, so we don't deviate from any of the manuals. So we're following the right drawings and we're doing the appropriate repairs and the students are doing all the work. I'm just overseeing. We started with the tail, and that's had the biggest damage, so we're in the process of hopefully getting that fixed. Once that's fixed, to the smaller repairs up front, and then basically from there painting it, and then going on to the other flight controls, the wings, the tail section, and then last would be to put it back together.
I have started with just the mounts that it's on. I've removed panels to get access to the tail section that we needed to replace. I've fabricated and installed a few stringers, and then working as a team, just getting it ready, getting it prepped, and still working on it now. This experience has helped me with working in the field and out of the field too. Working with friends just in driveways, I actually know what I'm doing. When I can go to a job interview, I know what I'm talking about, I know how to explain things. I can show them that I'm competent enough to work on planes, and this has really just taught me everything I need to know.